Welcome to our video on the latest window grille design ideas for 2025. Whether you're upgrading your home or planning a new build, window grilles are a key element of both security and style. In this video, we'll explore trending materials, innovative designs, and essential maintenance tips to keep your grilles both functional and fashionable. Stay tuned to discover the perfect designs for your home. Importance of window grille designs. Window grilles aren't just about security anymore. They're now a vital part of your home's aesthetics, blending safety with stunning visual appeal. The right design can transform a plain exterior into something modern and artistic while keeping your home secure. With countless styles and materials available, you can easily find options that match your unique taste and lifestyle. Latest trends in window grille designs for 2025. This year, window grille trends are all about innovation and creativity. Sleek modern styles with clean lines are gaining popularity for minimalist homes. Laser-cut patterns bring an artistic touch, featuring intricate designs that look more like art than security. Additionally, there's a growing preference for materials like powder-coated steel, rust-proof aluminum, and even sustainable wood for an eco-friendly vibe. Matte finishes and bold color options are also trending, allowing you to make a statement with your window grilles. Top 5 Window Grille Design Ideas. Let's dive into the top 5 window grille designs for 2025. Geometric patterns, clean, symmetrical lines for a contemporary look. 2. Nature-inspired designs, patterns resembling leaves, vines, or flowers. 3. Minimalist horizontal bars, ideal for modern homes. 4. Vintage scrollwork, perfect for a classic, timeless aesthetic. 5. Laser-cut art panels, custom designs that showcase your personality. Each of these styles offers a unique way to enhance your home's curb appeal while ensuring safety. Customization and personalization. One of the best parts about window grilles in 2025 is the ability to customize them. Whether it's a specific color, material, or intricate pattern, personalization is the key to making your home truly yours. Consider collaborating with a designer to create a one-of-a-kind grille that matches your home's architecture and reflects your personal style. Maintenance tips. To keep your window grilles looking stylish and functional, regular maintenance is essential. For metal grilles, clean them periodically with a damp cloth and mild soap to prevent rust. Wooden grilles may need a protective coating to withstand weather changes. Always check for loose screws or fittings to ensure safety. A little care goes a long way in preserving the beauty and durability of your window grilles.